Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
Alright guys, this is JOATD back with another video. Here in front of you is a 2006 7th Gen Honda Accord. This video is to show you how to set the air conditioning settings if you install an Android head unit in this vehicle. A lot of people are having problems with installing the Android head unit and the air conditioning not working. I have two videos on that, but this video is for the actual settings setup area. The other video is for the installation and what cords to use. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, so I am sitting in a 2006 Honda Accord. This is a 7th Gen Honda Accord. All right. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions about the air conditioning not working once they install this Android head unit. Okay. Now, I have a video that explains to you when you're installing this head unit, if you have a dual AC unit, you're not going to use the provided connector that's green. All right. If you have a single unit for the air conditioning, if you have a single unit, you will use the green connector that comes with this unit. Now, how do you know if you have a single or a dual? At the bottom, it's going to say dual. If it does not say that, you have a single. All right. Because the radios look exactly the same, the OEM. Okay. Now, I have a video on that, and up at the top right hand corner, I'll put a link for it. Once you've done that, if it's still not working, what you're going to do is you're going to go to car settings, and then you're going to go over here to factory. You're going to put in the password, which is 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to hit enter. You're going to go to card type settings, which is right at the top up here. Now, you're going to go to where it says HI World. See right here? You're going to hit that. Then you're going to go to Honda. Once you go to Honda, you have an Accord, right? So this probably works for all Hondas, okay? If you have this particular head unit, but this car is an Accord. So we're going to go to Accord. Now, this section right here, this is where you put in what type or generation Honda Accord you have. Like I said, the one I'm in is a 2006, which is a 7th Gen Accord. Okay. So right up here, it says 7th generation Accord. Accord WO2. That is what you want to hit if you have a 7th Gen Accord. Bam. All right. Right here, you're just going to hit OK. Once you do that, the controls for your AC unit down here at the bottom, they'll start working. And you can hear the air conditioning coming out of the, you know what I mean? So that's the problem. That's the reason why your air conditioning, won't work properly once you install the green cable, or you just connect the actual OEM cables that's provided for your radio. Now, like I said, the installation video for this I'll have at the top right hand corner at the kind of at the beginning of this video. All right. But guys, that's it. That is what's wrong. That's the reason why your air won't work. I'm still in factory, right? At the top, car type settings. HI World. Honda. What type of Honda you have? This car is a Accord. And if you have a 7th gen, it's the second selection. But you can see on here, it's telling you. Like at the top, it says if you have a 2013 Honda Accord with a 2.0 liter motor, or a 2013 to a 2015 Honda Accord with a 2.4 liter motor, you're going to choose the top one. If you have a 7th gen, like I do, 2006, you're going to choose the second selection. 2022 to present, the third one. The next one just says Honda Accord 8. That's probably 8th generation. All right, you're going to choose that one. 2013 to 2017 Accord, you're going to choose the 5th selection. 2018 to 2021 Accord, you're going to choose the 6th selection. All right, that will get your air conditioning controls to work so that the air will come out the vents. All right, so for all of you out there that are having this problem, this is the fix after the installation is correct. All right, check my video for installing this head unit, and like I said at the beginning of this video, I'll have the tab at the top right hand corner to show you how to install this the correct way. This video is to show you how to set it up so that it works. All right, guys. All right, this is JOATD. If you look in the description area, if you have a 7th gen Honda Accord, I have the link where I purchased this radio and all of the other things that I've done to this car. All right, guys, I'm out.
Alright guys, I'm not just known for one video. I have multiple videos. I'm not just a one-trick pony. I'm a one-stop shop. It's in the name, Jack of all trades Dre. We have motorcycle videos, car videos, Park-It 360 videos, small engine videos, Bentley videos, Cadillac videos. Should I keep going? Mini bike engine swap videos, BMW suspension sag videos, Scion tensioner pulley removal videos, small engine leak repair video. I think I made my point. I'm out.